Hey there, Steve Nixon here with StrategySamurai.com. Today's video, we are going to explore one of the most beautiful, elegant, and simple copywriting headline formula. This one works like gangbusters, and I promise you, even if you're new to copywriting or an experienced pro, you're going to be able to use this and add it to your arsenal and hopefully make a lot more sales with it. So here is the formula, so simple. How to blank, and the first blank here is a benefit that your audience would want to have or get from using your product or service. So how to blank without blank. And the second blank here is usually a pain or an objection that your audience would have and would cause them to not want to take action at this time. Let's look at some examples in different industries of how you could use this formula to craft better sales messaging. How to get six-pack abs without having to do painful stomach exercises. Well, that's interesting. Let's look at this one. The benefit is six-pack abs. Who wouldn't want more tone abs, right? Oftentimes in the health and wellness industry, this is a really nice benefit that many people in the audience would want to have, right? But the reason they don't have it is because it's painful. They're gonna have to do a ton of work. They're gonna have to change their lifestyle. It's not gonna be fun. But you're saying, listen, we're gonna get you this benefit without having to have the pain, the objection, the reason for not wanting to take action. How to double your revenue without having to work more hours. Okay, so in the business community, who wouldn't want to double their revenue? That sounds like a great benefit. But oftentimes people are gonna think, well, I'm gonna have to put in a ton more hours in order to make more money. So you're saying, listen, you're gonna teach you how to double your revenue, but you're not gonna have to work more hours. Interesting, they're handling the objection there. Tell me more, and they're gonna scroll lower in the sales letter. Let's look at another one here from the dating industry. How to find the man of your dreams without wasting tons of time having to sit in bars. Well, that's interesting, right? Who wouldn't want to find the man of your dreams if you're, female or a male looking for a soulmate, right? But oftentimes people think they have to put in a ton of energy. They're gonna have to sit in bars. They're gonna have to drink a lot, sleepless nights. They're gonna have to get rejected. And you're saying, listen, you're not gonna have to sit in the bar. We're gonna teach you how to do this, how to find your soulmate without having to put in this energy. Tell me more, and people are gonna scroll lower in the sales letter. How to fix your marriage without having to go to painful marriage counseling. So this is interesting, right? A lot of people, if they're having marriage problems, they would love to be able to fix their marriage. It's a very painful thing throughout their life at the current time, right? But they don't want to go to, marriage counseling because they feel like it's going to be hurtful. They're going to have to criticize their spouse. Their spouse is going to criticize them. It's going to, bring up all kinds of painful experiences, or it's going to take a lot of time. It's going to be, an expensive endeavor because a lot of marriage counseling isn't, covered by insurance, right? So you're teaching people, listen, this product will help you solve your marriage, to fix your marriage, but you're not gonna have to spend money and time, in marriage counseling. Different ways of using this. We could go through, 50 different examples, but again, just a recap of the formula. It's how to blank the benefit of what your product or service will give to your prospect without the pain or the objection, the reason that they would not want to take action. So there we have it. Very simple formula. Use it on your headlines. You could use it in your email. You could use it in your ad copy. Really almost any place you have a sales message. All right, thank you so much for watching today's copywriting lesson. My name is Steve Nixon. I'm with StrategySamurai.com. I make these videos for fun. I just love teaching copywriting, psychology, entrepreneurship. If you had fun today, you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.